Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vaidar. So today in this class, I will tell you how to create a React.js project in Visual Studio. So, so those things we will discuss in this class. So how to create and what are the requirements which we need to run the React.js project in Visual Studio Code. So those things we will discuss in this class. So first of all, we have to open CMD. So here you have to check whether the node is installed in your system or not. System or not. So if you got v20.14.0, the node is installed in your system. So there is no need to install it, and you have to check npm-v also. So the node package manager also installed. So which is helpful in downloading some packages, so required packages and libraries. So which is useful in that. So you have to install npm. And so if you don't install node, so just you have to go to the Google Chrome. So here you have to type node, just click on node and just you have to click on node.js and you have to download node.js. And after this process, so you have to watch my React video, like I have told how to install Node.js in that video, and I will provide that link in the below of this video in the description. And you can go through that link and you can watch that video and you can install the Node.js. And after that, you have to install Visual Studio also, Visual Studio. And for that also, I have explained in that video. So you can go through that link and you can watch that video and install the Visual Studio also. So for that, so see here, you can see my Visual Studio, right? So first of all, you have to open the Visual Studio, and here, so before that, just create here new folder, new folder. So here, just name it as, just name it as React.js project, React.js projects. So this file you have to open in the Visual Studio. This file you have to open in the Visual Studio. So this is my Visual Studio, right? So this is my Visual Studio. So first of all, you go to the open folder here. Click on open folder here and go to the desktop and you have to find the React.js project. See here, just click on React.js projects and select folder. Then React.js projects folder will be opened. Folder will be open. So in this way, we can open the folder in the Visual Studio. So before creating the React.js project, so you need to install some extensions. You need to install some extensions which will be helpful in creating the React.js project and creating the React.js code. So first one is prettier. So you can see it prettier code format, right? So just click on it. And if you don't install it, you will find here install. Just click on install and automatically it will be installed in your Visual Studio. And the next thing is VSCode. See here, ES7, ES7, React Redux and React Native. Just click on install here. It will be installed in your system. So what are the things we have installed? The first one is Prettier and second one is ES7 plus React Redux, React Native. And the next one is React. Let's click on React. And you'll be having simple React snippets, right? So just install this also. Install simple React snippets. See here, you can see the snippets will be installed automatically. The snippets will be installed like it will be written automatically by using simple React snippets. It will make our daily life easy while working with React.js. So these are the extensions we have to install. Let's click on extensions and remove it. And these are the instructions. These are the extensions which I have installed. So you'll be having emoji snippets, ES7, logarithm. So these are some actions that I have installed. I have installed. So these are the basic. And the next thing is live server. So the live server also you have to install. If you don't install it, just click on install here and it will be installed automatically. Yeah. So after that, just go to the, now just go to the Chrome here. So just click on React here. Go to the docs. So installation, start a new React project. So what you have to write, npx create next app at the rate of latest, or you can use, I know the command. So here, just go to the terminal. So we have opened the React project right here. So you have to go to the terminal and terminal, create new terminal here and just drag like this and just write clear so that it will be clear. And you can see, right, we are in the React.js projects. And here you have to write npm, yeah, npm create a React app, and the project name is robo first project. Yes. Here I have to use npx. Yeah, now it will be installed. Now it will be installed. It is installing. So you can see the path, right? C colon users to desktop React projects, React.js projects. So in this folder, we are installing a robo first project. And it will take a couple of minutes and it will be installing React, React DOM, and React scripts and CRE templates. Here you can see the buffering, right? It is installed. See here, you can see the package.json, right? It is installed the package.json. And here you will be having name. The name is RoboFirst project and the version is 0.1.0. And you'll be having private as true. This is the object. This is the object. So let's wait for some time until it's created. So now we have created the project. We have created the project. So after creating, you will be having the npm start, npm run build, npm test, npm run eject. So you can see all these things here. So now we have to go to the project called robo first project, and you have to write npm start here. You have to type npm start. Then this project will be executed in the Chrome. In the Chrome. Yeah, still loading. So you can see our React.js app is created. Our React.js app is created. So here, if you track like this, you can see the src folder, right? So in this, the main folder is app.js. So you can see all these things. So whatever the logo you are seeing here, the source is the logo. You'll getting the logo, and you'll be having src app.js, all these things. And I will delete all these things. I will delete all these things up to header. And here I will write this one. Intro, introduction, React.js classes. See, now it will be updated. Introduction to React.js classes. So in this way, we can create the React.js project and execute in the Visual Studio, and the output will be presented in the any browser. Either you can choose Google Chrome or Microsoft browser. So I hope you understand how to create the React.js project in Visual Studio. So, and all these things. So whatever the app.css, index.js, so all these things we will discuss in the next class. And we will try to create a project, and like we will try to create a decent project. So on that, I will explain all these things. So I hope you understand this creation of a React.js project. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.